Hello everyone, this is Moses from ZAATARGARDENS. This is episode 18 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to show you something pretty cool here. I'm walking my daughter. She's holding on her little bear. This whole street has been bare. Hey, that's a good pun. But this whole street has been bare for ever since I've lived here. And about January or February of this year, or last year, excuse me, someone planted succulents and aloe vera, sorry for the noise. So about 2 months ago, or about a month ago, I planted pansies and violas, and I put compost. And I told my wife maybe one day someone will come by and add more. So somebody added some succulent starts. So let me zoom in. Some succulent starts. So it is becoming a sort of a community little garden here on this strip. So this brought in life in a location that had no life. And I hope this becomes sentimental for the neighborhood here, especially what's going on right now in the world, bringing some life into a bare land. Happy gardening, everyone.